the way to go to Fira, where I'm going to the volcanic island with a boat cruise that I have booked, and I need to hurry, otherwise I won't make it on time because the bus will leave in 10 minutes and they say that, and I only have 8 minutes remaining, so let's make this worthy. Day 2, Santorini. I really want to vlog, but my battery will die. Oh, my head. Oh, it looks scary. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Looking down, you feel like you will. What is this? Oh my gosh. This looks beautiful. I'm capturing this view in the sea, in the rocks. Look at the ground. Oh my gosh. So I'm basically at this place where we are waiting for our boat to arrive. So I have selected one of those things so I can go and see the a hot spring and the volcano hiking, and also to go and swim in the hot spring, of course, and the different islands that Greece has to offer. So we are just waiting here at the place because we don't want our boat to leave us. So I'm patiently waiting for our boat to arrive, so I don't want to go too far and the wind is blowing, so I just need to keep my hat on my head. Yes, but yeah, so basically we are just waiting because who wants to get left behind, and that is our boat that is coming. So I hope I'll be the first one. No, that's not our boat. Our boat is a big one, luxurious, of course, you know me, likers of things. Oh, so while we are waiting, I'm just ordering some delicious food here. I just need to have a plan B in cases if I get hungry on the boat. I have something as a plan B for me to satisfy myself. And I also bought some ice cream. It's hot here. Namibian hot has nothing on this place. Yeah, and seated next to the ocean, the blue crystal water. As we wait, Mina the tourist. So these are the other people that are going on that boat cruise. I think I will try this one tomorrow. I tried the local recommendation, which was a more cheaper one. Oh, thank God for this. Oh, sometimes you just need to speak. So as I'm waiting for our bus to come in 10 minutes, I decided let me give myself some. Why do I look so cut? Let me get myself some ice cream. How does it look with glasses? How do I look? Be the judge, with glasses or without glasses. the sandwich in cases where we go. There's no stop or food stalling. Then I have something not to feel the heat. Ah, 20 minutes later, we are still waiting for the boat. So the boat that I saw previously is not the boat that we are going on. So I changed direction because I got tired of sitting in the restaurant. So I decided let me go and sit next to the crystal water here. So yeah, patiently waiting. I mean, we have nothing to do besides going to those activities. So I'm assuming everybody that is seated here are also waiting for the same boat. So let's wait for 10 more minutes. So it is time for me to go and load off the boat. So we are here. So we are currently leaving the port and we are on the boat right now. Oh my gosh, the long wait has finally paid off. So let's say bye-bye to Thera and let's go and explore all the island. And I managed to get a seat on the top layer. There we are. Top of this place is beautiful, very beautiful. Yes, we are at the Volcano Island and this is the entrance.
How many?
One.
Turn your cart on the left and pass, please.
Okay, thank you. This mountain hiking is hectic. We're almost there. Okay, this is the mountain volcano. What? I forgot the name because of the kilos that I'm pushing. So that's where we are headed to. Oh my goodness, it's a killer. I need to climb here again and then go up there. So the people that are coming right now are the people that have already went to the top of that volcano thing. So let's do it. We are almost there, Mina.
So I forgot to pack my techies. Now I have to work with these sandals in these rocky volcano sands. So I mean, luckily I packed in my water bottle cause this mountain hiking is another killer. For a person that doesn't exercise regular, you will feel it in your bones. You will feel it everywhere. I'm like, oh my gosh, if I got the memo, I don't think I could have come up here. I could have prepared well with techies, and I don't think I could have come up here with a 500 milliliter of water. I could have packed a 1 liter of water to survive this heat and this coldness and the windy. Oh yeah, next time I'll be better prepared.
I have reached this final destination, but no, I still need to go there. Okay, no need to give up. I'm really exhausted. So the final destination is here. No need to give up. We are there. My water bottle is almost done. All the rock that we need to work on. Really? And look, the shoes that I came in. It's my fault. Okay. Damn. When last did I walk this long? It's during high school. Mountains. It reminds me of Luderitz. School time. Crossing those Aminemas mountain to go to Luderitz High.
Yeah, yo guys, we finally made it on top of the mountain. So that side I can see all the different islands, in Greece. Oh my gosh, so that's where we are coming from, Thera, and that is another island that is there. I'm just so happy I didn't give up. And that is the blue crystal water that is there. Everybody's just posting for pictures. Everybody's just celebrating the little achievement that we have done so far. The key motto is never give up.